Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert diameter symbol in MS Word and MS Excel. So in the MS Word you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 8960 and release the Alt key, and you can see that diameter symbol is inserted. You can make it bigger, and I'm writing down. Here is the code. And another way is that you need to type 2300 and press the Alt X all together. And here is diameter symbol is inserted with the another method. Make sure in the Microsoft Excel and other Office apps you can't insert the diameter symbol using the Alt X code method. So in the Excel you can insert diameter symbol by this way. You need to click on the insert, and on the right side you will see that symbol, and here is the equation. You need to click on that, and here you need to click on this arrow from this, and here is the diameter symbol. So just you need to drag it and place in the row or column where you want to put in. So the second method is that you need to click on the insert and go to the symbol and click on the symbol, and here in the font section you need to select the normal text, and in the subject you need to select the Latin 1 supplement, and after that you need to find out where is the diameter symbol, and here is the diameter symbol where his mouse is moving, and you need to just select it and click on the insert and then close it. So here is the diameter symbol is inserted. So in Excel you can use these both methods. So in the Word you can use the Alt X code methods. So I hope you understand how to insert diameter symbol in Word and MS Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.